हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल के अनअकैडमी और डिस्कस करते हैं कुछ लेटेस्ट हायरिंग के बारे में एंड फर्स्ट हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी व्हिच इज फ्रॉम द कैपजेमिनी। ओके, सो कैपजेमिनी कंडक्टिंग अ वॉक इन ड्राइव। सो बेसिकली एज अ कस्टमर सर्विस एडवाइजर यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई। सो बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली दिस इज डायरेक्ट हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर यू कैन सेंड योर रिज्यूमे टू द रिक्रूटर। ओके, सो रोल आपका यहाँ पे होने वाला है कस्टमर सर्विस एडवाइजर एंड दिस इज फॉर कोलकाता लोकेशन। एनी ग्रेजुएट कैन अप्लाई इन दिस हायरिंग एंड एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर। Okay, what are the skills that they are looking for? Okay, good communication skills you should have, willingness to learn and grow, dynamic environment, candidates should be comfortable working in the night shift and you have to send your resume on these email id. So आप कोई भी एक email id को choose कर सकते हैं if you want to upload your resume, if you want to send the resume on all the three id you can, if you wish you can definitely try. आपको अपना अपडेटेड रिज्यूमे, जो भी लेटेस्ट रिज्यूमे है ना, वो भी आपको अपना यहाँ पे सेंड करना है. सो दिस इज द लेटेस्ट हायरिंग विच इज फ्रॉम दी Capgemini. Next hiring which is from the Zoho hiring for the software developers and like design and development knowledge you should have, efficient code and testing knowledge you should have, product development life cycle knowledge you should have, and this is especially for the Chennai location, so you can apply in Zoho development. What you have to do, you have to click on the I am interested and you can autofill application based on your resume or your skill set or your experience will decide, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity. Next hiring which is from the Trinity, they are hiring for the associate analyst and this is for Gurgaon location. What is the criteria? Bachelor's degree in any engineering discipline, operation management, relevant degree, relevant field degree if you have, then you can apply. 0 to 2 years of working experience including fresh graduate. Fresh graduate can definitely apply. This is totally for freshers. You have to apply as an associate analyst. You can try. Next hiring which is from the principal hiring for the software engineer and this is the category for the development. Alright, graduate can apply bachelor's degree any stream responsible for developing, testing and maintaining applications. So this is the skill set requirement for this hiring opportunity. You can try. Next hiring which is from the Navy. So guys, Navy की जो hiring opportunity होने वाली है, eligibility 24 graduate can apply for this hiring opportunity. Okay, and up to 1 year of experience, like 0 to 1 year of experience required for this hiring. अगर आप 24 पास आउट हैं, देन आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एज अ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट. ओके, आपको करना क्या है, पहले तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं एसक्यूएल वगैरह की आपके पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए, स्टैटिकल एनालिसिस की नॉलेज होना चाहिए और डेटाबेस की नॉलेज होना चाहिए, डेटा रिलेटेड स्किल्स है. बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे बिजनेस एनालिस्ट में काम करने वाले हैं, बिजनेस एनालिस्ट के जॉब रोल में अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. यू हैव टू fill this application form, guys. You have to fill this application form and what you have to mention name of the UG institutes. If you are from the IIT, Triple IT, BITS Planning, NIT and other you have to mention from where you are actually, your institution. You have to mention your institution. Okay, after that you have to fill the all the details and upload your resume, then apply. Okay, because this is for tier 1 only, so the first preference will be from the IIT, NIT or the IITs, BITS Planning. So these are the some requirement that they are hiring and this is very recent opportunity from the Navy. Next hiring which is for freshers from the Will Vantage Technology, they are hiring for the programmer analyst. As a programmer analyst they are going to hire and this is for Hyderabad location. What is the criteria for from the 25-24 batch, then you can apply. BTech or BE MTech students can apply from the CSE, IT, Triple E or data science branch. Okay, so you have to apply in this hiring opportunity also. Next hiring which is from the Morning Star, hiring for the data analyst and this is for Mumbai location. What is the criteria? This is fresher level hiring opportunity, hold a bachelor's degree, communication skills, MS Office tools. Okay, so if you have relevant skill set you can try in this hiring opportunity. Next hiring which is from the Siemens, hiring for the junior software developer, AI or ML. So bachelor's or master degree in data science field, machine learning field or computer science field or AI field. NLP or generative AI knowledge you should have because you are going to work in the data analytics or AI or ML, especially for the machine learning or artificial intelligence field. If you have relevant libraries knowledge, frameworks knowledge of the ML, then you can definitely apply. Cloud based knowledge you should have, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity also. Okay, next guys, एक प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में बता दूं, that is हर की प्लेटफॉर्म. If you have not rest in this one, you can find out the work from home opportunity over here, different sessions. So guys, अगर आपने इस पे एक प्रोफाइल क्रिएट नहीं किया, you can create your profile because competition is very less. Okay, if you want to create the profile, you can try in this one. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.